today we're going to be cooking a white bean chicken chili. You're going to have a jar that's got your vegetables in it. It's green chilies, corn, and some white beans, some chicken already prepared for you, spices and cream cheese. First you'll need a pot to put your chicken in. You'll want to put a little bit of oil in that pot and get the chicken heated all the way through. Just maybe a tablespoon of oil in there. We're just heating up this chicken before we add our vegetables and our sauce to it to make it a nice chili. Go ahead and put in our jar that contains all of our vegetables and beans. Get that stirred up. Turn the flame back up a little bit higher now. In here, chicken bouillon, cream cheese, a little pat of butter. We're going to put that in. So as you're stirring it, your cream cheese and the butter will begin to melt. There's a little cornstarch in there, and so that's what will thicken your chili for you. I sampled it and it tastes good. Voila. That's good. It really is good. White bean chicken chili. Toodles.